If you could grow a garden, what would you plant? Choose 10 types of plants you would like to grow in your own garden. From the garden space, it makes a lot of sense to look at this as a certain type of ecosystem. Consider the system of a garden. Hello, we're out here planting, and I want to know from you, what 10 plants would you plant, and how would you take care of them? If I need to protect the seeds and keep them warmer, I could build a little greenhouse. I just want you to know that you don't have to have special pots. You can use any type of old cup, yogurt container, even a cloth bag. I've used shoes and boots before, old pots. It's a good opportunity to recycle and make pots. In fact, I started some of my first gardens on my patio. Happy gardening. We're going to plant some seeds. Much as I like planting in the garden, I have to do it this way sometimes because the seeds need to be warmer when they germinate. Not all seeds germinate at the same temperature. So peppers, for example, it has to be a lot warmer than lettuce or spinach. Happy gardening. As one thinks about a garden as a system, what are the different subsystems? We could look at it from many different perspectives. From the soil perspective, I think even the worm life might be a system in its own. We'll learn about worm castings, using worms, and even raising them if you'd like. Plant a garden if you'd like. It's a great system to take control of. There are many variables, such as not just sun, soil, water, and air, but also consider specific temperatures, specific soils, what plants you would put, how would you water them. Consider these questions. So this time I'm going to try to grow it by broadcasting seeds in a tray. I like it so much that if I do it that way, then I can transplant the little seedlings once they have sprouted. It's very important to be careful not to put too many, and that should be plenty. What are the subsystems of a garden, and how do they work? Is composting a part of a good garden? Together we can plant new garden beds, fill them with peppers, corn, and other vegetables. What will you put in your garden ecosystem? How will you take control of the land? Consider 10 different options. Think about what plants would you plant? How would you control their environment? Cilantro? Tomatoes? How about different types of lettuce? Flowers? Peppers? Maybe you would like to have pumpkins or watermelons or cucumbers or corn. Or you could even go with some delicious gourds. Yeah. You like basil? There's basil. You like flower? How about radishes? Radishes can grow so fast. Or maybe you like carrots. Maybe you like sunflowers. Happy gardening. Oh, this artichoke is going to be delicious. And thank you for joining me for a gardening lesson.